Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going back to measuring shoes. We are going to measure and compare our shoes and tell which one is longer. I am looking for you to measure two different shoes, and I want you to tell me how much longer one is more than the other. Okay, so what you're going to do today is we're going to think about, hmm, we already answered this before, but can you remind me why is it important that we measure from one end to another? That's right, right? We want to measure from one end to another because we want to make sure that it's a perfect fit, right? And we want to make sure that whatever we're measuring isn't going to be too big or too small. So, what I did again is I'm using my same outline that I used from the other day of tracing shoes because for me it's a lot easier to count my cubes when my paper is traced than to sit and try to measure here from one end to another, right? So I suggest that everybody go ahead, get your shoes, trace your shoes, and then we can measure. So let's review again. So I have Madison's shoe, and let's count again how many. I'm going from heel to toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I don't forget, I'm going to write 6 up here. And then we're going to do Noah's shoe. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Noah's is 9. I'm going to write that on top of here. Okay. Sorry, you didn't see that. So I'm going to show you. I have 6 and 9, right? So I know that Noah's shoe is definitely longer than Madison's. And I'm going to use a red paper just so you can see my cubes out. Now I'm going to try to figure out how much longer is it. So this one was Noah's, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Noah's shoe was 9 cubes long. Okay, so remember, if you have your regular cubes, you can use your regular cubes. If not, you can cut them out. If you can print them. If not, you can measure them against your screen. And then I have Madison's, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes long. Now I'm thinking, how can I tell how much longer Noah's shoe is than Madison's? How many cubes longer do you think it is? That's right, it is 3 cubes longer. So one way that I can figure this out is I can line up my cubes, right? And I can say, oh, you know what? These match, right? And then I have 1, 2, 3 extra. So Noah's shoe is 3 cubes longer than Madison's. Can we think of another way to figure out how much longer is Noah's shoe than Madison's? Yeah, we can also count up or we can count backwards to figure it out. Excellent job. So what I'm looking for you guys to do today is you're going to measure two different shoes. You're going to tell me which shoe is the longest, and then I want to know how many more cubes longer it is. Okay, make sure you're uploading your video onto your Google Classroom and uploading how you figured out how much longer it is. I can't wait to see how you guys are counting today.